Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of seeing the lists you are on in X. Let's get started with this updated tutorial. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance. Step 2. Locate your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. It represents your account settings. Step 3. Once you're in your profile settings, find and tap on the Lists option. This will take you to a page displaying your lists. Step 4. Look for the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. These dots signify additional options. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select the Lists You Are On option. This will show you all the lists you are currently a part of. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily see the lists you are on in X. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and updates. See you in the next video.